everyone, my name is Quynh and I'm from Old School.
My name is Quynh Son and I study in Newton Grammar School. We are 5th graders from Vietnam and we are very excited to participate in Lab 2019 with the topic Water, the Source of Life. And now we want to share with you about our project.
While doing research, we know that water pollution is a very serious problem. Microplastics are claimed for the major cause of water pollution. According to the UN, in the ocean right now are over 51 trillion microplastic particles, and that's 500 times more than stars in our galaxy. Most of the time, sea animals will mistaken microplastic particles as food and will eat them. And if we eat the animals, that means that we eat the microplastic particles and they harm us. Knowing that laundry is responsible for 35% of the microplastics in the ocean, we came up with a hypothesis that we can control the problem if we can capture the amount of microplastics released from clothes. That means less microplastics will go into the ocean. And then seafood will become safer for human health. That's why we choose the topic, how to reduce microplastics from laundry.
Now I will tell you how we conducted this research. First, we did a survey to find out the understanding of people in the community about microplastic.
We interviewed our friends, our teachers at school and our neighborhood. We also interviewed many pedestrians on the street.
The blue part is about laundry, and you can see that only 9.8% of people know about this problem. We also interviewed a washing machine expert and a chief engineer to know how water flows out of the machine. We know that there's a product named Life Straw can filter the river water into drinking water. So we decided to consult with Life Straw expert to ask more information about products and possibilities of using Life Straw filter to retain microplastics from daily laundry. We came to Life Straw LAB to observe how Life Straw filters on dirty water taken from the natural environment in Hanoi.
We use Life Straw filter to do the test with laundry water at home.
First, we take some laundry water and pour it in the Life Straw container. And the water runs to the Life Straw and there was a valve. When we open it, the water will go out with a speed of 200 milliliters per minute. Look at this. The glass on the left is the laundry water. The cup on the right is the purified water after going through the Life Straw. You can see the difference between two cups. Well, research, it's great to know that Life Straw filter removes 99.999% of microplastic from drinking water in independent lab testing. Therefore, we think that Life Straw can do the same with laundry water. So we decided to write a proposed letter to Life Straw company with the hope that and developed an effective filter that can filter microplastic in laundry water.
Anyway, for short-term solutions, there are several ways to reduce the amount of microplastics from laundry. Okay, so the first one is to wash at lower temperatures, because a lower temperature wash is less aggressive and therefore less likely to shred plastic fibers. Second, put the clothing into a special bag so that the microplastic release would be reduced. Third one is to fill the washing machine every time you wash, because a full washing machine reduces friction between the items. The fourth one is to reduce the spin speed of the washing machine. Higher spin speeds dry clothes quicker, but they also shake them up more, and that's risking more plastic shredding. The fifth one is to air dry rather than tumble dry. Tumble drying is faster, but they're more aggressive, and that could cause your clothes to shed more plastics. Use a front load washing machine like this one, because tests show that top load washing machine usually shed more plastics than the front load one. The seventh one is to keep your clothes for longer, because your clothes are more likely to shed more microplastics in the first few washes. Then the last but not least, install the LIT LUVR discharge filter. Studies have shown that this product can filter 87% of the microfibers in your laundry water. If every family applied these ways, the amount of microplastics going into the ocean will be reduced. Then, seafood and sea salt will be safer for human health.
I hope that more and more people will know about this problem and will join with us to help spread the knowledge and make the world a better place.
Thank you for listening.